Okay, let's start cooking. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make a Cambodian food they call amok fish. Okay, I'm going to show you the ingredient. 3 pounds of fish, 1 can of coconut milk, lemon leaves. I use dry because I don't have the fresh, so you can use fresh. Mushroom, 2 head of garlic, 3 ounce of ginger, 2 chilies, turmeric, 3 turmeric, 3 pieces, and I use lemongrass to the sauce, but I only use the root. Only this, and spirit, sea salt, half spoon of sea salt, half teaspoon of salt chicken, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, I'm going to show you how to slice lemongrass. Okay, I'm going to combine the seasoning, garlic, ginger, lemongrass, chilies, turmeric to the pesto. Lemongrass, garlic, turmeric. You can chop them a little bit more. Ginger. Okay, so we add chili later. Okay, I'm going to add lemon leaf and chilies in and seasoning inside it. Brown sugar, chicken salt, black pepper, sea salt. I'm done chopping, and now I'm going to blending with my coconut milk. Okay, I'm going to put in the coconut half can, and I add cilantro, a little bit cilantro, and green onion, a little bit. And I'm going to add a cup of the water. Okay, I'm going to cut the fish into bushel serving. Okay, these 2 pieces per person. Okay, I'm going to put the coconut half can, put on the pot, and then I turn on the stove. Okay, you cook coconut meal, medium heat, and cook around 8 minutes to 10 minutes. Remove the water from coconut meal. Okay, I'm going to add the sauce inside the coconut meal. Stir for 5 minutes, medium heat. I'm going to add the fish in the sauce. Pour the sauce, put on the fish. Okay, close it about 3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to add the mushroom inside the fish. I'm going to break them 3 pieces. Okay, let fish cook medium heat 10 to 12 minutes or until done. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make banana leaf fish cup. Okay, the fish is done. Okay, I'm going to prepare the plate. I'm going to put the spirit, 4 pieces, 4 leaves, 4 leaves inside the banana leaves. I'm going to put the fish. Pressure. Okay, let's start test. Wow. Wonderful. Delicious. Very delicious. The best.